How to analyze a technical chart using Fibonacci retracement levels. Identify trend. First, determine the overall trend of Castrol's stock price or any other asset over a relevant time frame. For example, last few months, year. 2. Select swing points. Identify significant swing highs and lows within that trend. These points will be used to apply Fibonacci retracement levels. 3. Apply Fibonacci retracement. Use a Fibonacci retracement tool to draw from the swing low to the swing high in an uptrend, or from swing high to swing low in a downtrend. Fibonacci levels. The common retracement levels are 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, and sometimes 78.6%. These levels represent potential support or resistance areas based on the Fibonacci sequence. 4. Interpret levels. Support and resistance. The Fibonacci levels indicate where potential support in uptrend or resistance in downtrend might occur. Traders often look for price reactions, such as bounces or reversals, near these levels. Confluence with other indicators. Combine Fibonacci retracement analysis with other technical indicators, like moving averages, trend lines, or oscillators, for confirmation. 5. Evaluate price action. Observe how the price behaves around these levels. A strong bounce or reversal near a Fibonacci level increases its significance. 6. Consider time frames. Fibonacci retracement levels can vary in significance depending on the time frame, daily, weekly, etc. you're analyzing. Ensure consistency across different time frames if you're trading or investing based on these levels. Remember, technical analysis, including Fibonacci retracements, should be used alongside other forms of analysis and not in isolation. It provides a framework for understanding potential price movements based on historical patterns but does not guarantee future outcomes.